could do. You could make me a hair tie with what you got.
It's a
Shame on you.
Well, I had to read it for a minute.
My mom picked it out.
Oh, good. Yeah.
I don't believe that.
That's nice.
Yeah, that's uh-oh, you got caught in your fib.
No, she didn't.
Watch the table when you step. All in the time.
Timing was right.
It was not very good.
No, well,
You get better, fellas.
I will. I'm usually pretty good about it.
But I didn't.
you always open it when you shouldn't, huh?
No, I'm usually good about saying it when I should.
Good.
I usually use this first. That's what I usually do.
Well, what?
This time you didn't.
Use my head before
Yeah.
now.
Usually use this first.
That is
That's what I'm saying.
stuff, Josh.
Yeah, it is. It's amazing. That was 4 passes.
That's awesome.
4 pass, another 4 pass.
Yep.
I'm telling you, that fireboard is unreal.
Did you see us getting that hand?
I saw you guys got the bow drill
Just
over. You got
snapped
your first one, didn't you? Hey, they didn't have Dr. Pepper. I got you, Coke.
Okay.
A nice sized crowd. I almost thought it'd be swarming today. It's not. I like that it's not. You know,
What is that?
doing a friction fire.
Ow.
No, because I never wear shoes, so I got like an inch of callus.
Leather skin, leather skin, leather foot, leather foot.
It's going to show you how to start a fire.